Yes, smart and handsome captain.
Bank Celsius Mexico size boat. Motor tanker Celsius Mexico service boat.
Yes, Celsius Mexico requested.
So my operation complete. I will go back. I will thank you very much. Standby 16.
Yes, thank you for cooperation. Come back to 16.
What's your name, captain?
Tilina.
Nice. This is Colombo.
Yes.
And we are in Commander 6 with handsome crew. Yes, master. Good.
Yeah.
Good. Seafarers are different people. They don't scared of this big waves, dangerous water,
Yeah.
rough seas. And these service boats have great responsibility to picking up people from the ship so that they can go home safely.
Yeah.
And then
can disembark.
yes, they can disembark and enjoy the vacation with their family.
Yeah.
It's a big responsibility.
Yes. Sir.
And the staff, they work their best to get the people in and out of the ship safely.
Yes.
So these boats look small, but actually these are very big boats because people running it has a great responsibility of transferring seafarers very safely. They can roam around the world, bring items to their home, but at the background these guys are the one who are working. Thank you, Captain, for
Okay,
being.
sir. I will call to the local
Sure.
agent.
Sure, sure.
Will come to vehicle.
Yes.
Jetty.
Yes.
आप पे कैप्टन
Sorry, sorry.
මේ මම දැන් එනවා මං තව විනාඩි 40ක් වගේ යනකොට එනවා ආවෝ හරි මේ වේකල ගෑල්ද ඈ යවඩ පල්ලෙහා කියන වලේ ඔව් නේ ඔය ගාඩි දියන් ගියා මැති තව හෙට ගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට ඔව් ඔය ගාඩි දියන් ගියා මැති